In an age where every second counts, leaders like you and your CEOs are the architects of the future. But there's a new cornerstone in the foundation of business: artificial intelligence. AI isn't just technology. It's the key to unparalleled insight, efficiency, and opportunity. Today's leaders must harness AI's power to thrive. From streamlining operations to unlocking innovative strategies, AI is transforming the business landscape. The question is, are you and your CEOs prepared to lead the charge? So join the revolution. Help them transform their insights, strategies, and leadership with the power of AI. You can empower their future today. Welcome to the crossroads of leadership and technology. The journey through the AI landscape begins here. Our workshop is more than a learning experience. It's a strategic expedition where you and your CEOs will discover the routes to integrate AI seamlessly and ethically into their business. We will dive deep into the real-world applications, ethical considerations, and tailor-made AI strategies that will elevate their company's performance. With multiple hands-on use cases, CEOs experience firsthand the power of AI and gain the knowledge to navigate the future with confidence. Help them join fellow leaders in mastering AI's potential. Their strategic advantage awaits. Imagine a future where every challenge is met with an intelligent, efficient solution, where their business not only adapts, but leads through innovation. This future is possible with AI. Leaders are already turning possibilities into realities, transforming their operations and setting new benchmarks. Our hands-on experiential workshop is their key to unlocking this potential. They will gain the insights, strategies, and tools to not just participate, but pioneer in their industry. The future is calling. The question is, will your CEOs lead? Schedule this workshop to help your CEOs embrace the transformative power of AI and chart a course to unprecedented success. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a fantastic day.